Antaisolar has successfully delivered a 12-megawatt distributed photovoltaic project for a major manufacturing park in Ningxia. By utilizing the extensive rooftop resources of large industrial workshops, the project serves as a key demonstration initiative for local efforts to promote low-carbon park transformation and to develop a new energy equipment manufacturing demonstration base. To address the characteristics of the metal rooftops commonly found in industrial facilities, Antaisolar deployed a customized metal roof mounting solution featuring a BAS plus rail system that ensures optimal compatibility with the rooftop structure. The system uses high-strength aluminium alloy, offering exceptional corrosion resistance and providing reliable performance under the region's strong winds, frequent sandstorms, and large temperature fluctuations. In addition, Antaisolar's pre-assembled design significantly streamlines the installation process, enhances construction efficiency, and reduces both construction and maintenance costs for the client. The successful implementation of this project not only supplies clean and stable power to the park's core manufacturing facilities, but also highlights Antaisolar's capabilities in professional technical services. It provides a replicable pathway for industrial parks seeking green transformation and deeper integration of PV plus manufacturing.